Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a 3-star champion on TFT. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, just go and open your game. If it's already downloaded to your PC, you can do, of course, if it's downloaded, that's will be cool. If it's not, you'll have to go and download it through the right client. If you don't even have that, just go and open whatever browser you're using. Go to the URL section, type download right client or download League of Legends or download TFC. All of those will take you to the same link, which will download the right client for you. Once it downloads, it will normally be opened and even downloading the game with it. But if it's not, you'll have to go and open it manually. Once it's opened, you'll find yourself here at this home screen or main screen. Here you'll find the games that's already installed into your PC. If it includes CFT, just go and open it up. If it's not, you'll have to scroll down into this all games. Make sure to select the Teamfight access from here. Click as play or install for you. You can here install it in League of Legends in your PC through the App Store in your iPhone and through the Google Play in your Android. Once it's downloaded, or install, just go on the top. As I said, in PC it will open in League of Legends, and of course they will ask you to log in into your account. If you have an account, just go and log in into it, but if you don't, just go and create your account through the browser again. Click here at the URL section, click or and type create a Riot Games account, which will once you created that will allow you to play all of their 5 games. Of course, then just go and log in into your account, and then you'll find yourself as a client like this. You'll find the play button at the top left corner. For me, it's not because I'm still in a game. And click on it, choose safety, choose the game mode, confirm, find the match, accept the match, and then you'll find yourself on a game like this. As we said, is we would like to make a 3-star champion. So if you want to make a 3-star champion, as you can see, there is the 1-star champion, there is the 2-star champion, and there is the 3-star champion. How to make a 3-star champion? So if you want to make, first of all, a 2-star champion, you will have to buy 3 of the same champion of 1 star. So as you can see here, I have Leona. Let's just look for another Leona, and you will see that I will have it on 2-star. So let's just look for it here. And okay, Nunu will work as well. As you can see, I have a Nunu in the board, Nunu here. If I click at a Nunu, as you can see, that will convert it into 2-star. Now I'll have to collect 3 of Nunus of 2-star. Like if I collect like another Nunu, it will not convert into 3-star because that is 1-star and that is 2-star. So I need now 2 of the same or 3 of the same champion of 2-star, and it will upgrade into 3-star, and I'm going to be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.